gentlemen at Moss MA-500 tube center. Tube end finishing machine. It's great for making heat exchangers. One of the main uses for it, or it can be used to go over the ends of tubes. You can set a big rack of tubing up here in front of the machine, and then this will locate the center of the tubing. It's got a laser on it. It comes out and it self-aligns, and then it'll run through the program. The machine is new in 2008 with floor safety mats, light bars. Got manuals and tooling in the box here. And tooling here, what comes with it. And it's got the manuals and prints with it. Set up for jogging it and stuff.